Randall and Rachel, we wanted to show you your photo album.
Ours.
Well,
I'm kidding.
the photo album you got us. So
Didn't know what we mean.
it's really nice. Wanted us to do a photo album, and on the front you can put an 8x10 picture. So it's the one we chose. Dee ta-da! Dee da da da! We LOVE it. Don't we?
Yes, we do. It is fabulous, darling.
So this is the picture we're going to put in the newspaper.
When are we doing that?
Eventually. We're supposed to do it by today for it to be in September 18th. So I guess it'll be in whatever the Sunday is after September 18th.
Okay.
See? Beautiful! La 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 la. One of my favorites. Again, LOVE. Thanks, Rachel and Randall. Ta-da! Perfect gift.